And today's thought of the day is really interesting. Sleep, dreams, and intuition. So I'll welcome the beautiful dreamers. Last night, while you thought you were simply sleeping, your brain was actually running the most sophisticated night shift in the universe. It was filing memories, healing your body, solving problems. And here's the magical part, sending you personalized messages through dreams. Yes, dreams are nighttime emails from your subconscious. So read them before they disappear. But here's the tragedy, most of us wake up, hit snooze, and delete these precious messages without even opening them. So today, you're going to change that. So while you are peacefully sleeping, your brain is busier than Mumbai local trains during rush hour. So let me walk you through this incredible journey. So stage one and two, the gentle descent. Your brain waves slow down, your body temperature drops slightly. And think of it as your mind's way of dimming the lights and putting up the do not disturb sign. The stage three, deep sleep magic. Now, this is when the real healing happens. Your body repairs tissues, consolidates memories from the day, and literally washes your brain clean of toxins. It's like having a night janitor for your neurons. And then the REM sleep, the dream theater. This is where dreams come alive. Your eyes dart around beneath closed lids like you're watching the most fascinating movie. Because you are. You're watching your subconscious process emotions, solve problems, and sometimes offer profound guidance. And let me tell you, when I was in school, many a times I solved questions in my dreams, which I wasn't able to solve when I was awake. And I got the answers. The fascinating part, your brain during REM sleep is almost as active as when you're awake. You're not just resting, you're actively problem solving in a dimension where logic takes a back seat and wisdom drives. So let me share some very familiar dream scenarios that reveal profound truths. The exam dream epidemic. How many of you still dream about forgetting to study for your 10th board exams, even though you graduated years ago? Your teenage dreams about showing up to J in pajamas? Now, these aren't random anxieties. They are your subconscious highlighting your relationship with preparation, perfectionism, and fear of judgment. Your inner wisdom is saying, are you still living in exam mode, constantly worried about being tested? Then the late for train dream. You're running through a railway station, bag in hand, missing train after train. In waking life, you might be missing opportunities because you're not trusting your timing. Your dream is asking, what train of opportunity are you afraid you are missing? Maybe you're exactly where you need to be. Then the childhood home returns. You dream of your grandmom's house, the way it smelled like jasmine or homemade pickles. You wake up with tears in your eyes. Now, this isn't nostalgia, it's your soul calling you back to a time when you felt unconditionally loved. Your heart is asking, how can I create that sense of belonging in my current life? Then the flying dreams, especially common among teenagers. You're soaring above buildings, feeling absolutely free. But in waking life, you feel trapped by expectations, studies, family pressure, and your spirit is reminding you you were born to soar. What's keeping you grounded that doesn't serve you? Then the talking to deceased relative dream. Yes, your nanny appears in your dream, gives you advice about a current problem, and you wake up feeling comforted. Skeptics call it wishful thinking. I call it your inner wisdom, wearing a familiar face to deliver guidance you are ready to receive. So, dreams are your subconscious mind's way of filing away the day's experiences, but not just storing them, but processing them. That argument with your mom in law, the stress about your child's career, the excitement about a new opportunity, dreams take these emotional files and help you understand them differently. Ever noticed how sometimes you wake up with the clarity about a problem you fell asleep worrying about? And that's not coincidence. That's your dream brain working through possibilities without the limitations of your waking mind's logic. And during dreams, different parts of your brain communicate in ways that don't during waking hours. The creative right brain gets to have a conversation with the logical left brain. And the result, solutions that you could never have thought of while consciously trying. And that's the beauty of it. It's like having access to a wise counselor who knows you better than you know yourself, because it literally is you, just the parts of you that don't speak in your everyday voice. So here's where most of us go wrong. We treat dreams like random Netflix episodes instead of personalized guiding systems. Your subconscious speaks in symbols, metaphors, and emotions, not in bullet points and PowerPoint presentations. So you have to set the intention. Yes, before sleep, instead of scrolling Instagram until your eyes burn, try this. Place your hand on your heart and say, I welcome meaningful dreams and will remember them in the morning. I repeat, place your hand on your heart and say, I welcome meaningful dreams and will remember them in the morning. So you are essentially RSVPing to your own inner wisdom. And then the morning capture. Keep a journal by your bed, not your phone, an actual journal. The moment you wake up, before you think about breakfast to check messages, write down anything you remember, even if it's just felt scared or saw a red door. These fragments are breadcrumbs leading to bigger insights. And then the symbol translation, that scary snake in your dream. Maybe it's not about snakes at all. Maybe it represents transformation because snakes shed their skin. That flooded house, perhaps it's about emotions overwhelming your sense of security. Your subconscious speaks in metaphors because it's trying to bypass your logical mind's tendency to dismiss wisdom as impractical. And here's the beautiful secret: the same part of you that dreams is the same part that gets gut feelings about people, sudden insights about solutions, or inexplicable knowing about what's right for you. Dreams and intuitions are different expressions of the same inner wisdom. So when you start paying attention to your dreams, you start trusting your intuition more. So when you honor your intuitive hits during the day, your dreams become clearer and more meaningful. It's like strengthening a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. So many of history's greatest discoveries came through dreams. Kekule discovered the structure of benzene in a dream. Tesla received visions for his inventions. And the dreams might not change chemistry, but they can absolutely change your life. So, your challenge, wise dreamers, starting tonight, becoming a detective of your own subconscious. Write that simple intention before sleep. I welcome meaningful dreams and will remember them in the morning, and keep that journal within arm's reach. For 7 days, capture whatever fragments you remember, images, feelings, colors, people. Don't interpret immediately, just collect. And by day 7, patterns will emerge. Messages will become clearer. You'll start recognizing your soul's unique message. Remember, every night you have access to a guidance system more sophisticated than any app, more personal than any advisor, more accurate than any algorithm. So it's been with you since birth, waiting patiently for you to pay attention. So dreams are not random neurological fireworks. They're love letters from the wisest part of yourself. So tonight, when you lay your head on your pillow, you're not just going to sleep. You're keeping an appointment with your own infinite wisdom. Sweet dreams aren't just a blessing, they're a birthright. So claim them. And with that thought, thank you. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today. Thank you.